Close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself strolling through a field of lavender. The sun is warm on your skin, and a gentle breeze carries the sweet floral scent of lavender all around you. This is the magic of lavender, a plant revered for its beauty and calming aroma for centuries. Its vibrant purple hues and intoxicating fragrance have captivated hearts and minds, making it a beloved treasure in gardens and homes alike. My love affair with lavender began many years ago when I first planted it in my garden. The bees adore it, and the scent always transports me to a place of peace and tranquility. I soon discovered that lavender's allure goes far beyond its visual and aromatic appeal. This versatile plant, in the form of lavender essential oil, holds a wealth of benefits waiting to be unlocked. From skincare to relaxation to home fragrance, lavender essential oil offers a natural and holistic approach to enhancing our well-being. It's a versatile companion for a more balanced and serene lifestyle. Join me as we delve into the world of lavender oil and discover the secrets it holds for enriching our lives. Let's embark on a journey to unlock the magic of lavender oil together. Lavender oil is extracted from the lavender plant's flowers through a steam distillation process. This process carefully captures the plant's precious essence, resulting in a potent oil brimming with therapeutic properties. Don't let its delicate fragrance fool you. This oil is a powerhouse of natural benefits. One of the most remarkable qualities of lavender oil is its versatility. It's a natural remedy for a wide range of ailments, from anxiety and insomnia to headaches and skin irritations. Lavender oil can be used aromatically, topically, and even in cooking. When applied to the skin, lavender oil's soothing properties work wonders for calming inflammation and promoting healing. Its antibacterial and antiseptic properties make it an effective natural cleanser for blemishes and minor cuts. In aromatherapy, the calming aroma of lavender oil takes center stage. Inhaling its scent can ease stress, reduce anxiety, and promote restful sleep. Its gentle nature makes it safe for most individuals, although a patch test is always recommended before applying it directly to the skin. Lavender oil is a true gift for the skin, offering a gentle touch and potent benefits. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties work wonders in addressing various skin concerns. I've personally experienced the soothing touch of lavender oil on my skin. After a long day in the garden, I often mix a few drops of lavender oil with my favorite carrier oil, like jojoba or almond oil, and gently massage it onto my skin. The calming aroma instantly relaxes me while the oil works its magic, reducing redness and inflammation. For those with acne-prone skin, lavender oil can be a game changer. Its antibacterial properties help combat acne-causing bacteria, while its anti-inflammatory action reduces redness and swelling. A drop of lavender oil added to your regular cleanser or spot treatment can make a noticeable difference. Beyond its blemish-fighting abilities, lavender oil is a wonderful moisturizer for all skin types. It helps balance sebum production, keeping oily skin in check while providing hydration to dry areas. Its gentle nature makes it suitable even for sensitive skin, calming irritation and reducing redness. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of tranquility is essential for our well-being. Lavender oil, with its calming and soothing aroma, offers a natural pathway to relaxation and stress relief. Inhaling its sweet floral scent can instantly transport you to a place of peace and serenity. Whenever I feel overwhelmed, I turn to the calming embrace of lavender oil. A few drops in my diffuser, and the gentle aroma fills the air, melting away tension and promoting a sense of calm. Lavender oil's ability to promote relaxation extends beyond its aromatherapy benefits. Studies have shown that lavender oil can help improve sleep quality and reduce insomnia. Its calming properties work by slowing down the nervous system, preparing the body and mind for restful sleep. For a peaceful night's rest, try adding a few drops of lavender oil to your bath water or pillowcase. Lavender oil can also be a valuable companion during times of anxiety or stress. Its calming aroma can help soothe frayed nerves and promote a sense of well-being. Carry a small bottle of lavender oil with you and inhale its scent whenever you feel overwhelmed. Transforming your home into a haven of peace and tranquility is easier than you might think, thanks to the magic of lavender oil. Its captivating aroma can instantly elevate your living spaces, creating an ambiance of relaxation and serenity. One of my favorite ways to infuse my home with the calming scent of lavender is through diffusing. Just a few drops of lavender oil in my diffuser, and the gentle aroma subtly fills the air, creating a welcoming and soothing atmosphere. For a more intense aroma, try adding a few drops of lavender oil to a spray bottle filled with water and misting it around your home. This is especially refreshing after cleaning or when you want a quick burst of lavender's calming scent. Another delightful way to enjoy lavender's aroma at home is by creating your own lavender sachets. Simply fill small fabric bags with dried lavender flowers and add a few drops of lavender oil for an extra boost of fragrance. Place these sachets in your drawers and closets to keep your linen smelling fresh and inviting. For a truly luxurious experience, consider adding a few drops of lavender oil to your laundry detergent or fabric softener. Your clothes will emerge from the dryer infused with the delicate scent of lavender, making laundry day a more enjoyable experience. Lavender's versatility extends beyond skincare, relaxation, and home fragrance. It can also add a unique and delightful touch to your culinary creations. Its floral, slightly sweet flavor profile pairs well with both sweet and savory dishes, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to your meals. One of my favorite ways to incorporate lavender into my cooking is by infusing it into honey. Simply add a few sprigs of dried lavender to a jar of raw honey and let it sit for a few weeks, shaking occasionally. The result is a delicately flavored lavender honey that's perfect for drizzling over yogurt, toast, or even cheese. Lavender also shines in baked goods, adding a touch of floral sweetness to cakes, cookies, and scones. When baking with lavender, it's important to use culinary-grade lavender buds to ensure the best flavor and avoid any unwanted bitterness. Start with a small amount and adjust to your liking. For a refreshing summer beverage, try making lavender lemonade. Combine freshly squeezed lemon juice, water, sugar, and a few drops of lavender extract. The result is a beautifully scented and flavorful drink that's perfect for warm weather gatherings. Lavender oil's versatility makes it a star ingredient in countless do-it-yourself DIY creations, allowing you to harness its benefits while adding a personal touch to your self-care routine and home essentials. From soothing salves to invigorating scrubs, the possibilities are endless. One of my favorite DIY creations is a simple yet effective lavender body scrub. Combine sugar, coconut oil, and a few drops of lavender oil for a luxurious exfoliating experience. The sugar gently buffs away dead skin cells, while the coconut oil nourishes and moisturizes, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Lavender oil's calming and healing properties make it an ideal ingredient for a soothing salve. Combine melted beeswax, coconut oil, and lavender oil for a balm that can be used to soothe minor burns, cuts, and dry skin. The beeswax creates a protective barrier, while the coconut oil and lavender oil work together to promote healing and reduce inflammation. For a relaxing and aromatic bath experience, try making your own lavender bath salts. Combine Epsom salts, baking soda, and a few drops of lavender oil for a soothing soak that will ease muscle tension and promote relaxation. The Epsom salts help to draw out toxins, while the baking soda softens the water, and the lavender oil provides its calming aroma. When it comes to experiencing the full benefits of lavender oil, quality is paramount. Not all lavender oils are created equal, and choosing a high-quality oil can make a significant difference in its effectiveness and aroma. Look for lavender oil that's labeled as 100% pure or therapeutic grade. These terms indicate that the oil has not been diluted or mixed with other substances, ensuring you're getting the purest and most potent form of lavender oil. Pay attention to the oil's origin. Lavender oil from different regions can have slightly different aroma profiles and therapeutic properties. French lavender oil is known for its sweet floral scent, while Bulgarian lavender oil has a more herbaceous aroma. Another important factor to consider is the extraction method. Steam distillation is the preferred method for extracting lavender oil, as it preserves the plant's delicate aroma and therapeutic properties. Avoid lavender oil that has been extracted using chemical solvents, as these can leave residues in the oil. When purchasing lavender oil, take the time to read the label carefully and choose a reputable brand that's committed to quality and purity. High-quality lavender oil should be clear in color and have a pleasant floral aroma. While lavender oil is generally considered safe for most individuals, it's essential to use it responsibly and take certain precautions. As with any essential oil, a little goes a long way, and it's always best to start with a small amount and gradually increase as needed. Before using lavender oil topically, it's crucial to dilute it with a carrier oil, such as jojoba oil, almond oil, or coconut oil. This helps to prevent skin irritation and allows the oil to be absorbed more effectively. A general rule of thumb is to add 12 drops of essential oil per ounce of carrier oil. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult with their healthcare provider before using lavender oil, as its effects during these times are not fully understood. It's also important to keep lavender oil out of reach of children and pets, as ingesting large amounts can be harmful. If you experience any adverse reactions, such as skin irritation, redness, or itching, discontinue use immediately and consult with a healthcare professional. Remember, essential oils are potent substances, and it's always best to err on the side of caution. Incorporating lavender oil into your life is like inviting a touch of serenity and well-being into your daily routine. From its captivating aroma to its remarkable therapeutic properties, lavender oil offers a natural and holistic approach to enhancing our lives. Embrace the lavender lifestyle and discover a world of serenity that awaits. Start by incorporating lavender oil into your skincare routine, whether it's adding a few drops to your moisturizer or creating a soothing DIY face mask. Transform your home into a tranquil oasis by diffusing lavender oil or creating your own lavender-scented candles and sachets. Indulge in the calming benefits of lavender oil by adding it to your bath water or using it for a relaxing massage. Experiment with lavender oil in your culinary creations, adding its unique flavor to baked goods, beverages, and even savory dishes. As you embrace the lavender lifestyle, you'll discover countless ways to incorporate this versatile oil into your daily life. Whether you're seeking relaxation, skincare benefits, or simply a touch of natural beauty, lavender oil is a gift that keeps on giving. So, go ahead and unlock the magic of lavender oil and embark on a journey of serenity and well-being.